All right, XRP Army. Let's talk about what just went down because this one's huge. In the last few hours, something big happened involving XRP. We're talking a $1 billion move. Yeah, you heard that right. But before you get too excited, let's break it down together. So first off, I know what you're probably thinking. If $1 billion just went into XRP, why isn't the price shooting up? Good question, and we'll get there. Here's the deal. Ripple has been working closely with a company called Evernorth, which is a treasury management firm. And just recently, Evernorth bought $1 billion worth of XRP. That's about 388 million tokens. Now, this isn't some random investment. It's part of Ripple's bigger plan. They're building out a full financial infrastructure system. You know, the rails that global money will move on in the future. Ripple's been going all in lately, buying up companies, expanding into treasury and prime brokerage, and setting up enterprise-level services. This latest XRP purchase fits perfectly into that bigger picture. Now, why hasn't the price moved yet? Well, XRP's daily trading volume already sits in the billions, so even a 1B purchase doesn't cause a massive price spike by itself. Plus, the overall crypto market's been down lately, mostly because everyone's waiting to see what happens with the Trump-Xi summit that's happening late Wednesday night New York time. Big global uncertainty always cools the markets. Once that's over, we might see things move again. Even with all that, XRP's still holding strong. Remember, it was around 0.22 not too long ago, and it's now hovering around 0.26. Steady growth. But the main thing I want you to focus on is Ripple's strategy. They're not chasing price. They're building power. They're setting up the infrastructure for global payments, buying treasury platforms, expanding their ecosystem, and even playing the political game smartly. Word is, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, could be joining President Trump's crypto advisory board. And yes, Ripple's already donated to Trump's White House expansion fund, so they're clearly building connections in the right places. So yeah, even though XRP's price hasn't popped yet, behind the scenes, Ripple's laying the groundwork for long-term dominance. Big picture, this is what matters. Before I wrap up, I've got a couple of things for you to check out below. First, my inner circle. It's about 90 cents a day. You'll get access to my portfolio, buy and sell alerts, and behind-the-scenes updates on cryptos that I believe are ready to move. Second, my X1 Algo Trading Indicator. There's a free 30-day trial, no risk, cancel anytime. The software recently gave a buy alert on Zcash, and that trade alone would have brought in over $9,000 profit in just 70 days. We also do live training 3 times a week in the private Discord, so you'll never be left hanging. If you're serious about leveling up your crypto game, both of those together are barely $2 a day, and they could easily pay for themselves many times over. All right, that's it for now. XRP Army, stay patient, stay sharp, and keep your eyes on the big picture. Ripple's building something massive here. See you in the next one. Take care.